Do we prosecute Texas interference with child custody? Right now, yes. Well, we haven't had many of those cases brought to our office. First, an agency would have to make the report and then submit that to our office. We haven't had many of those, so I can tell you we probably haven't had many instances where we do those cases, Cecilia. But right now is not the time where we're going to be trying to do cases like that. Those are non-essential cases, and when I say non-essential, I mean things that we really have to focus on, prioritize, and that's people in jail in the criminal dockets. They're going to make ways for us to have courts, though, because people still have right to counsel and have right to hear their hearings, but it has to be done in a safe way where people all aren't in courtrooms. And you have to remember that there are still rules, right, where courtrooms have to be open to the public so people can see what's going on. So we're going to make other accommodations for that. It may be Facebook Live, it may be on TV. There are many things that we're going to try to do to make sure that everybody has access to the courts, but we don't want people coming and endangering themselves if they don't need to. So we're going to try to start implementing plans where our staff and non-essential people are going to be working from home. Because there are non-custodial parents who want to return the kids to the CP. That's not right. I agree that's not right. If it may not be a criminal issue, you still can file those cases with contempt in court for non-compliance. You still have all those avenues to go forward on. Right now, we're worried about people who are getting arrested and hurting others. It's getting kind of wild out here, guys. And so I want to tell you that I want everyone to try to be as kind and as fair as possible to each other. Because if you're not in this time of need, and people are still getting arrested. I want everyone to know that if you break the law, you're still going to get arrested. Do not break the law. Even in desperate times, try to be as understanding as possible. Because people out there are going to take advantage of this situation. Be vigilant. Be sure that you protect yourselves and your families, but do it in a way that is as safe as possible. Always, if there are issues, call 911. First responders don't get